Hey, welcome back to another video of eTakes. In this video, we are going to learn how to add profile picture in Character AI. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and head over to Character AI and log in to your account. After that, click on the profile icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, you will see Settings option. Click on it and you will see a profile here. In the bottom of the profile, you will see small pencil-like icon. Click on it and then you can upload your image from here. You can also generate your image by giving the prompt. Describe your image in this field. And click on Generate. It may take some time for this process. After that, you can select the image from here and click on Select. Now make sure to click on Save button. So that is how you can add profile picture in your Character AI account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.